Hi everyone, welcome back to another day of stats. Today we're going to take a look at random digits and how they can be used to come up with a random sample for different studies. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so basically a random digit table is a list of random numbers that you can choose from. So before we even get to a random digit table, what I have for you are two examples of some random digits. We're going to call line 1 all of these random digits right here, and line 2 is all of these different random digits. So there's some things to understand about a random digit table before we can get to our examples. The first thing that you need to know is each digit. Now, when we're saying digit, we mean like 9 or 1 or 5 or 6. Each digit is equally likely to be any of the 10 digits. So there's no one digit in the table that is more likely to happen. And then the other thing we need to do is the digits are independent of each other. Okay, knowing about one part of the table doesn't give any information about the other. Okay, and then finally, the digits are put into groups of 5 just to make them easier to read. So say I'm looking for 2-digit numbers. I have a 96, then I have a 56. My next number is 50. This space in the middle means absolutely nothing. It's just there to be able to more easily read the table. So there's nothing about the way they're grouped together that means anything. It's just the way to organize it to help it make it easier to read. Okay, so now that we understand what a random digit table is, let's use these two lines right here to answer some questions. So example 1 is talking about lunch duty assignments. So pretend there are 90 students in a lunch period and 5 of them will be selected at random for cleaning duty each week. Lucky student. Each student receives a number 1 through 90. Notice the number 1 is the digits 0, 1 together. And the school uses a random digit table to pick the 5 students. It says start at the left of the line indicated. Look at 2-digit groupings of numbers. If the 2-digit grouping is between 0, 1, and 90, then that student is assigned to lunch duty. Skip any other 2-digit number. So if it's like 91 or higher, we're going to skip it. Also skip a 2-digit number if it's already been chosen. It's not fair to have the same student clean twice. All right. So looking at line 1, we want to see what students are the lucky ones. So we're looking for 2-digit numbers. So the first 2-digit number is 96, but that's over 90, so it doesn't count. The next 2-digit number is 56, so that's less than 90, so that one's good. Then we have 50. Again, that one is less than 90, so we're okay. Notice my next 2 is 50. Because we already have it, remember it's not fair to pick that same student twice. All right, my next 2-digit is 07. I'm going to write it down as 07. Then I have 16. And finally, I have 60. So those are the first 5 randomly picked students. So those are the lucky ducks that get to clean. All right, let's go ahead and look at the second line. So my first 2-digit number is 11. That one works. Then I have 16. Winner, winner, chicken dinner again. You know what? Actually, I'm going to write these without any commas because that's the way you're going to have to put it into your classwork. Then I have 91. Okay, 91's bigger than 90, so I'm going to cross that one off. I have 55. I have 29. And finally, I have 33. So those are the lucky student winners for the second round. All right, let's go ahead and look at another example. Okay, so a cereal box winner, woohoo! A cereal company is giving away a prize in each box of cereal, and they advertise collect all 6 prizes. Each box of cereal has 1 prize, and each prize is equally likely to appear in any given box. So Caroline wonders how many boxes it takes on average to get all 6 prizes. So she decided to do a simulation. So we're going to look at those same different lines of random digits. You have to start the left-hand side of the line, and we're looking for single-digit numbers. Now, because there's 6 different prizes, we're going to look for 1 through 6 to represent the different prizes. So if you have the digits 0, 7, 8, or 9, we're going to cross those ones out because those ones don't count. Okay, only 1 through 6. So one trial of the simulation is done when all 6 digits have appeared. So that means we have to go through all of these numbers until we get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. And at the end of the trial, she counts how many digits it took to get all the digits 1 through 6. Okay, so let's see how this one works. What I'm going to do to make it easier is I'm actually going to rewrite those 6 prizes. We have prize 1, prize 2, prize 3, prize 4, prize 5, prize 6. All right, I'm going to use my red pen to cross off anything that we're not going to count. So my first single digit is a 9. Because that's bigger than 6, we're not going to count it. My next one is a 6. Okay, so I got prize number 6. Then I got prize number 5. I already have 6. I already have 5, so I got some duplicates. The next one is a 0. Again, 0 through 9 we're going to cross off. Ooh, got a 5. I already have a 5. More zeros we can cross off. 7 is too high. Ooh, yay. I got a 1. All right, so I'm looking for a 2, 3, and 4. Okay, a 6. I got lots of 6s. Lots of them. Kind of reminds me of Monopoly at Jewel. Ooh, 0 I can cross off. 5 I already have. 8's a no-gooder. 1 is no good. Oh, 1 I already have again. 9 is crossed off. Oh, check it out. I got a 4. Woohoo! All right. Ooh, 1 I already have. 4 I already have. 8's no good. 7's no good. Ooh, 3. Okay, so now I'm waiting until I get to a 2. Up 0 doesn't count. 4 I already have. 1, 9, 7, 8. Uh-oh. 5, 5. That one doesn't count. That one doesn't count. Okay, I already have that one. I already have that one. Now notice, okay, I don't end up getting a 2. So I have to keep going. I'm going to keep going down to this bottom line until I finally get a 2 because I ran out of all the options of my top line. I'm still looking for a 2. So, I got some more duplicates. Oh, the 9 doesn't count. Oh, got some more duplicates. Finally got a 2. So what I need to do is I have to count up all of those dots to see in the first trial how long it took me, how many cereal boxes it took for me to get all 6 prizes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, oh boy, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. It took me 32 trials starting with line number 1. Okay, we're going to try that again, but now we're going to look at only line number 2. So you can see this really is random and how it works out. Again, I'm going to write down my 6 different prizes. Okay, get out my red pen, and now I'm only going to look at line number 2. Okay, so I got a 1. Yes. Okay, duplicate, duplicate. Ooh, I got a 6. Good. 9 doesn't count. Got a 1 again. Ooh, a 5. Another duplicate. Got a 2. This one's going a little bit faster. 9 doesn't count. Ooh, got a 3. Duplicate, duplicate. Oh, finally got my 4. That one went a lot faster. So how many dots do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different dots. So the second trial, it took 12 different cereal boxes to get my 6 prizes. So now what we have to do is we're looking for 12 random 1-digit numbers from 1 to 6. All right, so I'm going to start writing down those numbers. Okay, the first one is 1. It says repeats are okay. So 1, 9 is greater than 6, so it doesn't count. I got a 2, another 2, and a 3. Okay, 9 doesn't count. I got a 5. 0 doesn't count. A 3, a 4. That's looking pretty good. 0 doesn't count. I got a 5 again. 7 is too large. I got a 5 again. 6 works. Oh, and a 2 works. So there are my first 12 one-digit numbers from line 101. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna look for, starting at line 120, we're gonna find 10 two-digit numbers from 01 to 0 or to 30. And now this time it's saying repeats are not okay. So looking at line 120, all right, 10 two-digit numbers. Well, 35 is over 30, so it doesn't count. 47 is over 30, it doesn't count. 65 does not count. 59 still doesn't count. 72 doesn't count. 39 doesn't count. 42. Oh, finally, we got 16. All right, 16. 58 doesn't count. 50 doesn't count, but 4 does. Remember, we're looking for 10 of them. 26 does. Oh, 63 doesn't. 54 doesn't, but 35 does. Let's see here. 43 is too high. 74. 21 works. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I gotta keep going. 19 is a good one. Notice how I'm grouping them to make it easier for counting. Ooh, 37 is too high. I have to go down to my next line because I have not found what I needed. 71's a no good. 48's a no good. 70, 99, 84. Oh, here we go. 29. 7. So 07. Notice how I'm writing it, just like the 04. 71 doesn't work. 48 doesn't work. 63 doesn't work. 61, 68. Finally, 34. 34 is too high. 70, 52. 62 is no good, but 22 works. 45 is not good. 10 is my final group. So now I went through and I found 10 two-digit numbers from 01 to 30, and I did not repeat any, so I did a good job. Okay, so now what I'd like you guys to do is go ahead and try out some of our practice problems. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, thanks and have a great day. Bye.